What is good, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be ranking the things that kept me broke as a joke. And the way this tier list works is that the more higher up I rank something, the more broke it will keep you. Let's start off with fucking watching this shit, man. We've all struggled with this. Okay, let's be honest. Okay, don't lie to me. Don't fucking lie to me, man. Watching this is disgusting. It's fucking weird. Like, it's not normal. And, like, unfortunately, there's an epidemic going on. But will it keep you broke? Well, I'm gonna be honest. I was broke when I was watching it, and I was making money when I was watching it. But I eventually quit it. Let's be honest. It doesn't affect your income. Okay, it can affect you. It can affect your mindset, but it's not gonna directly correlate to that. I'm gonna put it in B tier. It's like neutral. Okay, if you do it too much, then it's gonna affect you more for sure. But I'm gonna tell you something that will for sure keep you broke as a joke. This one right here, chasing them girls. Okay, I've had a big problem, with this shit. I'll be honest, because like I'm a type of person who can only focus on one specific thing. Okay, if I'm focused on making money, then I'm focused on making money. If I'm focused on some business shit, I'm focused on that. But if I'm focused on this, I'm focused on this. Okay, that's how my brain works. So this is a huge thing because obviously it's costly. Okay, going on dates, you pay for the dinner, this and that. You take her out. You spend time thinking about her, texting her, this and that. It's time consuming. That's the thing. That's the biggest thing. It's time consuming, energy consuming, and there's like hassle. You may argue. It's a headache. Okay, and sometimes when you want to make money, especially if you're not making money, you have to delete some things from your life, and this is one of the first things you can just forget about it for some time. Only once you actually got your shit together, start to make some money, then you can start doing this. Okay, and eventually, women they don't want broke people. They don't want broke guys. So it's a waste of time if you're broke and trying to chase this. So regardless, man, let's move on. Cold plunge. So I'm gonna put in S tier. S tier for sure. But let's move on to cold showers and cold plunges. I used to do this a lot every single day, and it actually helps me kind of like stay in the mood. Let's say if I have a bad day, I'm tired, go take a cold shower, I feel refreshed, euphoric. And it's been studied that it actually helps your brain in some kind of way, like improve your mood, and it for sure helps me. But recently, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't been taking those that much. I'm in the military. It's cold as shit anyways, so like fuck nah. But will it make you rich? Okay, not directly. Because I mean, you can be broke as shit, work at McDonald's, and still take cold showers. You may feel better, but it's not gonna make you rich. But it's a good energy booster. But it's neutral, just like watching porn. Okay, it's neutral. But remember, the more higher up something I rank, the more broke it will keep you. This is chasing women. It's way above there. Okay, right now, it's taking the lead. It will keep you broke. Now, this is funny. This is very important. Work-life balance. I know you've probably seen those videos like, oh, you need to balance everything, make money, and then go outside, and then see your girl, and then do this, and gatherings. And you have to understand that all of the people online who I know who are making money, they all sacrifice something, okay? Because your number one priority has to be making money, okay? Getting your students' results, making all the good moves. Now, if you're trying to balance it, have your regular life come in way, like focusing on two things, it's gonna take your focus. It's I know it doesn't sound comfortable, but it's the truth, and that's what most of these people online, these fake gurus, don't want to tell you. They're gonna be like, oh yeah, wake up in the morning, have your cup of tea, go for a run, meet up with your friend, and then you have 2 hours of focusing on that business that you want. No, bro. You have to be full focus, bro. You have to be full focus, especially when you're broke, when you're starting out. Okay, not always. So I'm gonna put it in A tier because work-life balance is not a real thing, bro. It doesn't fucking work. Wow, this is crazy. This one is crazy. I'm putting A tier. Yeah, this one right here. But the fear of, this one is huge, guys. This is something that kept me broke. Okay, for some good time. Being afraid of judgment, of other people's judgment, your friends, your family. I'm gonna give you a story. So when I started on YouTube, I wanted to start posting on YouTube to post trading content because back then I was trading every single day. And eventually I started my personal brand, my first personal brand and info business around trading. But I was too scared to start before because of judgment. Okay, I was in school and I was like, what if my friends are going to find out? This is going to be so cringe. So it kept me stuck and broke for months and months and months. And during that, like those months that I wasted, I could have spent it fucking building my brand and making way more money. But now I was like, wow, well, I'm going to start after school, this and that. What a fucking weak-minded person I was. But then I realized that if, let's say, my friends would judge me, then they're not my friends. Cool, get the fuck out for my life. And eventually, like, let's say you think about it that way, you're scared. Once you actually get rich, you're gonna move away regardless and never see those people again. That's just a fucking fact. So what the fuck are you stressing about? Don't let these people dictate your life. That's just how it goes. But fear of judgment, man, it's S tier. Okay, it for sure keeps people broke. Kept me broke for some time because it's noise, and you cannot start something if you're scared. That's how it goes, man. Okay, let's do this, man. This is also a huge one. So this is essentially thinking that the grass is greener on the other side. I wanted to kind of resell online because I had a friend who was not online, but like reselling. I had a friend who was reselling sneakers. Okay, he was making some money. I wanted to try that, but then I tried it for like 7 days. Didn't work. And then I saw something online like crypto. Want to try that? Didn't work. And then I eventually found trading. It kind of worked. And then I actually tried selling info online, and it's the best thing ever. But regardless, the point what I'm trying to make here is that thinking that the grass is green on the other side is going to keep you so fucking broke because you'll not see the results, because making money overall is fucking hard and it takes time. And especially if you're starting out, you're not going to see the results immediately. So if you're constantly switching business models to some kind of other thing, if you're constantly switching business models, it's going to keep you fucking broke and you'll never see any results because you're staying mediocre in every aspect. Okay, the skills ain't evolving, nor are you. So this is going to be S tier. It's going to keep you fucking broke. This one is huge. Listening to online fake gurus. Listen, bro, I've had students, bro, who told me that before they found me, they've been watching a ton of gurus online, like trading gurus, paying them $5,000 for the mentorship, and eventually finding out that they're fake gurus. They're not actually making money with the shit that they teach. They actually make money teaching, wasting a ton of money and time, energy on something that doesn't exist. I've also had my own experience. Okay, I remember when I was learning how to trade, a bunch of fake gurus, learned a bunch of fake strategies, blah 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 blah, and I was like, what if it's like, instead of I'm gonna crawl up in a ball and cry, or just try to do the shit that they teach that doesn't actually work and exist, what if I start teaching instead? What if I actually start doing the exact same thing that these gurus are doing, but do it the right way, actually help people instead of causing them to go on a wrong path? That's what I did. And now what do? I've made, with my first info business, trading info business, I made multiple six-figure. I turned it into a multiple six-figure annual info business. And now I help coaches and mentors do the same thing. I literally help you sell your expertise online, on social media. And I've had students who are killing it right now. But listen, bro, this is an epidemic. Okay, this is gonna keep you broke if you're not smart enough to realize that they're fake gurus. They're causing you to go left while they go right. Okay, remember, all these gurus online, these teachers, they make way more money teaching than actual with the stuff that they make way more money teaching than the topic that they're teaching about, if that makes sense. Meditation, man. But yeah, that goes last year. I've actually done some meditation in the mornings. Obviously now I'm in the military, I don't have time. Haven't done that in a while. But I used to do this like almost every single morning. I had like a journal where I was like a fucking habit tracker, meditation, 15 minutes, 10 minutes every morning, blah, 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 blah. It actually did help me quite a lot. But it also wasn't the real thing, the real fucking tool that made me make some money online. It's not going to make you rich. And it's not going to make you poor as well. Okay. So it's like neutral. Thinking about your goals, man. This is huge. Okay, listen, guys. I remember when I started watching some people online that was making money, and I was constantly like thinking about my goals, like what I want to achieve and this and that. I spent most of my time thinking about my goals instead of trying to pursue them. Okay, I was just thinking all up in my head, like, I'm gonna buy this, I'm gonna buy jewelry, I'm gonna have freedom, not think about the price tag, and not actually doing the work. That's the trap that most people fall into. So that's a huge thing. Now, don't get me wrong, it's good to know where you're heading. It's good to know about like your goals, but it's not good to constantly think about them. Remember, guys, the main point of this video is that you need to understand the thing that will make you rich, the thing that will make you money is the fucking action. Okay? The goal should be the task list of the day. We'll actually put it in A tier. It's not super crazy, but if it can most definitely hinder you. Okay, this one is huge, guys. Watching wrong kind of content online. This one, like let's say if you watch a lot of entertainment, you're not watching these business people who want to talk about business, money. This is fucking bad, okay? Because I wouldn't be where I'm at today. I wouldn't be posting these videos if I wouldn't have started watching, not fake gurus, but like people who make money online. Watch those videos, bro. Trust me, because it will affect your mindset 1000%. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in, I'm gonna put it in S tier. Because watching wrong kind of content is gonna destroy your fucking future if you watch it. Because it's huge, okay? But regardless, hang around with the wrong kind of people. You already know what I'm gonna do with this, okay? I used to be hanging around with people who were drinking every single fucking weekend, not doing anything with their life, only talking about like, yeah, man, today I gambled my last $20, man. I lost it all. Fucking crazy, man. Yo, let's smoke some weed. Hey, Adriel, you coming to smoke this weekend? Hey, Adriel, you coming? Man, come on, like, I know it's fun and all, when you're young, but there's a saying, like, you are the sum of 5 people you hang around with, and it's fucking true. It's fucking true, okay? If you're currently hanging around with people who are not focused on their fucking mission, fuck them. I know it's harsh. It's gonna be cringe, like, in the moment, but it's gonna affect your future. It's gonna for the better, okay? Just ditch them, okay? I was just recently with my friend in Dubai. He does e-com, I do info. We're kicking it. We're in Dubai, chilling, trying to be perfect in business, building your brand, this and that. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. This is gonna keep you broke. Try to be perfect. In some areas of life, you have to be perfect. You should always aim to be perfect, but perfectionism. You just have to do the work. That's the main thing. You have to do reps in order to become good. If you have no experience, how can you post something that is perfect? You know what I'm saying? So just post videos, teach people, talk more, and eventually you'll become way better. Okay? Stop focusing on an individual YouTube video, an individual fucking making the individual course super great. You should always aim to be perfect, but if it hinders you, slows you down, or causes you not to take the action, then it's fucking bad. Okay? Fucking ass. So I'm gonna put it in A tier. A tier, it's still super bad, but if it causes you to like not do anything, like just delay, then it goes to S tier. But for me, it goes to A tier because I remember when I was kind of starting with YouTube, like with my first YouTube channel, the trading channel, I tried to make every video perfect without the skill set. Doesn't make any sense, right? And it kept me slow as shit, and it kept me not making that much money yet. Okay, but if you don't know what I do, my name is Edric Hash. I help you sell your expertise online. And if you want to make a fuck ton of money selling info, selling your own expertise on social media, selling courses, mentorships, etc., the shit that all of these guys online who are rich are doing without telling you that they do it. If you want to learn it, first link in the description, the YouTube link, is going to take you to my strategy video where I'm going to teach you everything. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe button. Share this to a friend who you want to see succeed. As usual, I will see you on the other side. Peace out.